Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with Weebly. First, you will select a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Then, choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates to give your site a great starting point. Weebly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes adding content incredibly simple. You can easily place text, images, and videos exactly where you want them, making the initial setup process quick and straightforward for anyone, even without prior experience. Once your basic structure is in place, it is time to personalize your website's appearance. Weebly offers extensive customization options, allowing you to adjust fonts, color schemes, and background images to perfectly align with your brand. Incorporate high-resolution images and engaging videos to capture your visitors' attention. Thoughtfully organize your content across different pages with clear navigation menus, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable user experience for everyone who visits your site. Beyond basic pages, Weebly empowers you to add powerful features. If you are selling products or services, you can easily integrate a fully functional online store, managing inventory and processing payments. Boost engagement by adding contact forms, social media links, and even a blog. Furthermore, Weebly provides built-in search engine optimization tools to help your website rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential customers to discover your online presence. The final step is to prepare your website for the world. Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review all your pages and content for any errors or missing information. Ensure everything looks perfect on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you are satisfied, connect your chosen custom domain name, and with just one click, your Weebly website will be live and accessible to a global audience. Congratulations, your online presence is now established.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.